intimate questions to ask. Hello, my friend, dear Unique. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Intimate questions to ask your partner. Yeah. What advice would you tell your 25-year-old self? If your future self went back in time, what would she or he tell you? If someone gave you $100, what would you spend it on? When is a good time to keep a secret? This is so important. What is your definition of cheating? I don't accept it at all. What is your favorite data we've had and why? How can I be a better partner to you this week? What is one thing we can work on to be better partners? Yeah, to grow our relationship. When was the last time you felt loved? What is one thing or activity, that makes you feel alive? What makes you feel appreciated? And what is one thing you learned this week? And how you feel about yourself? How you feel about me? How you feel about our relationship? Are you completely honest with me? Is there anything you want to tell me, but you're afraid of, I don't know, anything? Do you love yourself? Do you adore yourself? Do you respect yourself? Do you love me? Do you like us? Our relationship? Okay, dear Unique. If there is questions, I want you to write in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for supporting me with watching my videos, listening to my videos. I need your support. I want to grow this channel to be useful for everyone. Yeah. Thank you, my friend. And never blow out someone else's candle to make your one shine brighter. Okay? Thank you so much. And focus on yourself, focus on your energy. Okay? Love you. Bye.